Hi all of you. Today we will learn about history of computers. So the development of the modern day computer is the result of advances in technologies. But have you ever imagined what early men were doing? How they calculate, how they are performing the simple as well as complex calculations? Yes, they do so by using their own hands and fingers. If that was not enough, they use shells, twigs, pebbles, stones for the calculation. But again, the problem arises by using these methods, they only can use simple calculation, not complex or lengthy calculations. So they feel the need of making something which could perform complex calculations also. As the year passed, the man worked on different techniques to develop a machine, and in this process they developed abacus. So what is abacus? Abacus was the first device developed by Chinese and was capable of performing calculations very fast. It is a device usually made up of wood, but nowadays we are seeing in the market it is also coming of plastic, having a frame that holds rod with freely sliding beads mounted on them. This is the diagram for abacus. It is also called rods with beads. This diagram you have to draw in your notebooks. It is important also. Next is Napier bones. In 1617, John Napier invented a calculating device called Napier bones. It was capable of performing multiplication and division of numbers. This is Napier bones. So abacus perform some addition, subtraction, but Napier bones perform multiplication and division of numbers. Then again in one new machine came called Pascaline. In 1642, Blaise Pascal invented an adding machine called Pascaline. It was commonly also known as Pascal's adding machine, and it was capable of performing addition and subtraction. Here is the diagram. Next is analytical engine. In 1834, Charles Babbage designed a machine which could add, subtract, multiply and divide automatically. Charles Babbage is also known as the father of the computer. Next is our Lady Ada Lovelace. The history is incomplete without the mention of Lady Ada Lovelace. She is the daughter of famous poet Lord Byron and is regarded as the first programmer who did programming for the difference engine designed by Charles Babbage. So, Lady Ada Lovelace is the first programmer. Now some early computer. First electronic computer was ENIAC. Full form is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. It is invented by J.P. Ackert and J.W. Mauchly in 1946. Next is our UNIVAC. Full form is Universal Automatic Computer, was presented by the same duo for commercial purpose. With this came era of computing. The processing speed of electronic computer is very high and the capacity of data storage is also very high. The speed, size and capacity improve with the development of technologies and different parts of machines like mainframe, mini, macro, personal computers and laptops etc. become very popular and an important part of our lives. So what is computer? It is an electronic device which process data to generate information, as you already have studied. Programming, it is a set of instruction given to a computer to make it to do some work. And data storage, the information that has to be kept permanently for further use is stored in different devices like floppy disk, compact disk, hard disk, etc.